PlanetWatch has launched a new version of its map, and today I'm going to show you all the features and why this is more important than you might think. Coming right up! This video is sponsored by PlanetWatch. So let's start right into it. To access the map, go to planetwatch.io or planetwatch.us and click in the top banner. As you can see, the user interface and the aesthetics are completely different. On top we have the search bar, like in the previous version, but now we also have a light-dark mode. This is a great user experience improvement and much welcomed. On the right we have 4 buttons. The first one will show you your location if your device has GPS, for example if you access the map from your mobile phone. The second one is also tied to the color scale at the bottom and will show you the status of air quality worldwide based on the data collected by all Planet Watchers out there. The third one will show you pixels and provide a clear picture of where there are Planet Watch sensors deployed. And last but not least, we have the zoom in and zoom out buttons. But it's not just about looking good. The new map is intuitive and the performance is top notch. You can effortlessly navigate by zooming in and out of regions or searching for a specific location using the search bar. The map's responsiveness and quick load times means you can gather relevant information in just a matter of seconds. Speaking of relevant information, for those of you who are interested in becoming a Planet Watcher or deploying more devices, this map is much easier to read. You can clearly check which pixels are tier 1 or tier 2, whether there are already sensors deployed, whether those are lead or backup, and where there are opportunities to set up new ones. If you want to know more about these aspects, I'll link the white paper in the description below. In my opinion, the greatest change introduced by this new map is related to live data on air quality. Air pollution is a pressing environmental and public health challenge, as exemplified by recent wildfires in Canada, which led to pollution hotspots along the US East Coast. The first step in tackling a multidimensional problem like this is measuring it properly. The PlanetWatch air quality map is the only one in the world that shows only real-time data at a hyperlocal scale provided by citizen-deployed sensors. We can see it for ourselves that the air quality in a certain area of a town doesn't necessarily reflect the conditions just a few blocks away. That's why having a dense network of sensors in place will always be more accurate than solely relying on AI algorithm for extrapolations. Everyone can use this new map. Go to the nearest deployed sensor and find out how the air quality is around them. There's a color-coded scale for the air quality index and also individual readings for PM2.5, PM10, carbon dioxide and ozone, with details information about each pollutant and its main health implications. Now I know that one hot question in the community is related to sensor recalibration, and everyone has been asking when would this be done, how, and if the data gathered is valid without such a recalibration. With this new map update, PlanetWatch announced a scalable recalibration system. This system is using advanced machine learning models for each pollutant and cross-validates the data against governmental stations, maintaining a focus on hyperlocal, real-time monitoring. Let's not forget that PlanetWatch has partnerships with 2 major European universities, Complutense University of Madrid and the University of Hamburg. This is a solid stamp of approval, which attests to the scientific reliability of their data. Learn more about these studies being conducted from the article linked in the description below. Overall, I think that if you live in urban areas in Europe and the US, the new PlanetWatch map is the best platform for air quality information. This is more than just a map. It's a reliable, community-driven tool packed with features designed to empower individuals to make informed decisions about our well-being. Until next time, see ya.